All right, what's up, guys? There's shadows all over the place, but Ricky's here. We're doing a little Friday night touch-up on the K240. Lots of clips of the video going here and there. We're trying to get shit done. This has got to get finished so we can get this car out of here, and then while my wife is out of town, we're going to swap this car for Ricky's other car that doesn't run. So when she gets home, she doesn't even notice the completely different colors, different make, model, and everything.
Maybe we'll get the roof cut off of it by the time she gets back.
We should cut the roof off at your house.
And then what?
No, we can do it here.
And then lay the carbon in at my house?
We'll do it.
Or
we'll cut it off. Shut up. We're getting off topic.
Right.
So we're doing the Radium oil catch can that we had to make a little makeshift custom-ish plate for. We've got these goofy fittings on here. One's what is that, 120?
Yeah.
One's a 120, and then the other one's a 45. And then there's two straights on the K240 valve cover. I don't know if you could see. We'll get closer in a sec. But yeah, we're touching up that. Once that's done, I mean, do you want to do the fan harness and get that situated? So that's done. This way we could put the charge pipes back on.
Yeah.
Or charge pipe back on.
Yeah.
And then, I mean, we could even put the intake back on just to get shit out of the boxes.
Yeah.
Because the only thing over here is just, what is this, the VTEC solenoid?
Yeah.
That's the only thing that's getting plugged in right there. And the little, what is this? Some cam phaser thing.
VTC. Which
VTC.
Is valve timing controls.
So we could do that, and then that's done, and then we can start messing with the harness. If we have time for that tonight.
Yeah.
Probably not. 'Cause we're going to go make A5 Wagyu and a hookah. Like peasants.
Brokey.
All right, cool. Let's get started.
It's like...
Okay, so grab, you got some, what is this, 10?
Well, I gotta
Right?
order it.
Stop.
It's like we're going inside.
Literally, I'll go inside. I swear to God. We got to figure out a better way to do this bike situation here. I wonder if I hang it above the Z.
I have a good idea. When's the last time you rode the bike?
I'm not selling the bike. It was expensive, and I want to ride it. I just haven't ridden it in a year.
Bicycle.
Whatever. You were supposed to buy a bike, Ricky. We were supposed to do the bike nights.
Guess
together.
what? I'm glad I didn't.
Yeah.
I don't have a Gladiator or the girlfriend that...
Bro, you could put a sick roof rack on the Integra. It looked pretty dope, actually.
That's too
Yeah, but then I had trucks in the meantime. Now I have no trucks anymore.
No, on the hatch.
Now I just have a BMW that gets
God
terrible
damn,
gas mileage because
starting
I'm always
off bad.
in boost everywhere I go now.
This is Evil Energy Hose, by the way.
Here we go!
Looking little Chinese.
It's not long enough. I'm just kidding. Ow!
Yeah, relax. They cut it with a fucking hacksaw.
Literally.
We'll just do the straights. Or do you want to do the 45 first and then cut it for the straight?
Do you want to... You're saying, like, make the end, screw it in, and then cut the other end?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what we were doing before?
Yeah. We always made one end and then we trimmed it.
Okay, all right. So, stay tuned. We're going to make some lines. Hello? Yeah, just go around the other side and hold this way so it doesn't destroy the paint everywhere. It's like smacking the inside of the hood.
Cops getting
Josh was sitting on here. He's like, this car got painted? I was like, unfortunately.
Look at that STI crack. Paint the engine, put everything in, then paint the rest.
Then paint that car, exactly. Alright, so this I would like to have like a little bend in it like that. So let's do what we were doing before. Take this off. You alright?
Yeah.
Ricky's drunk. So
Oh, 5 feet looks so small.
So now we're going to cut that, put the fitting on, put on the can, and then do the other line. Cool. That's what I was looking for. It's like following the fucking throttle cable perfectly. That was an accident.
Damn, bro.
Good, bro. Damn, bro. Looks good, bro. Okay, so we just finished making the last line here. Just tighten it. We want to get the 10 wrench to snug everything before we tighten the can up.
I mean, you can. You can do hardware, though.
Hardware for what?
The bracket and all that.
Who cares? That's accessible.
You gotta paint the spacer.
Okay, that's all. But I could just leave it hanging.
True. Do your thing. What do you want? No. It's gonna warp it.
I'm just gonna hold the line when I tighten it. Okay, good. Because these are orb, right?
To the valve cover. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So
I don't want to crank down on them too hard.
you're supposed to hold it while you do that. But those are warped too. They were orb.
They were orb.
They're just RB.
The O-ring is gone.
O-ring's gone.
The O-ring's gone. Just RB fitting now. What happened to my Allen key? It's gone. No. In the fucking
butt crack in the towel.
Yeah, literally. Tighten up these little Allen keys. Getting to those back ones is gonna suck. Oh yeah, that sucks. Ricky's Steven Spielberg now. Okay. Voila. Start it up.